Hey there, health enthusiasts! Let's dive into one of the simplest yet most effective ways to boost your health: morning walks. Have you ever wondered how many kilometers you should ideally walk in the morning for optimal health? Well, let's start with a goal. Aim for at least 30 minutes of brisk walking most days of the week. This translates to roughly 1 to 2 kilometers. This moderate level of physical activity promotes cardiovascular health, weight management, and overall well-being. Now, don't push yourself too hard at the beginning. Gradually increase your pace, stride, and walking hours. This helps your body adjust to the workout properly. Wondering how to decide on the ideal distance? It varies based on individual fitness levels and health goals. Start with a comfortable distance and gradually increase as your fitness improves. Listen to your body and adjust the intensity and duration of your walks accordingly. The best time to start your morning walk: shortly after sunrise. You'll enjoy cooler temperatures, fresher air, and a peaceful environment. Plus, it sets a positive tone for the day ahead, boosting your mood and energy levels. Before stepping out, make sure to stretch gently to warm up your muscles. Hydrate by drinking water before and after waking up. And don't forget to set out comfortable clothing and footwear the night before. Regular morning walks can regulate blood pressure and improve heart health by lowering cholesterol levels. Walking helps burn calories, contributing to weight loss or maintenance when combined with a balanced diet. It also boosts mood and reduces symptoms of anxiety and depression. Walking strengthens muscles and improves joint flexibility. It enhances energy levels throughout the day, stimulates circulation, and promotes overall vitality. Plus, it aids digestion by stimulating peristalsis, reducing bloating, and promoting regular bowel movements. So lace up those shoes and hit the pavement. Whether you're a busy adult, a senior looking to maintain your health, or a kid full of energy, walking is a great choice for everyone. Your body will thank you. Thanks for watching, and happy walking!